Today I'm gonna introduce you guys Stinky Tofu in Hong Kong. Stinky Tofu is a very unique street food because there are some people who hate it so much, says it smells like, and there's people who love it so much like me, said it's addictive, it's awesome. I can't wait to eat that today. First of all, who created Stinky Tofu? There are different stories. One of the stories is, it is believed that in Qing Dynasty, someone got too much tofu left over, so he tried to preserve them with salt. After a few days, the tofu got spoiled, but since Chinese are food explorers, he tasted the spoiled tofu with no fear, and he loved it. Then he started selling stinky tofu, and it became a popular street food until now. But nowadays in Hong Kong, shops selling stinky tofu keeps getting complaints from the neighbourhood, so it's hard to find good stinky tofu now. It's rare, but it doesn't mean it's underground.唔該，一嚿臭豆腐喺度食。利率正常化得好快，會唔會因為通脹壓力？It's golden. Like when I was a kid, when people were frying on the street, 3 or 4 blocks away, people could smell it. So but this shop in Wacha is the real deal. You can use your nose to find the shop. How Hong Kong people eat this stinky tofu? You need 2 sauces. Tim Jang or sweet paste, or we call it sweet paste, Tim Jang, and chili paste. It's a kind of crispy tofu with a little bit of addictive smell. Addictive. So, and also what I ordered as well is, I don't know how this is called in English, is mian gan, this curry squid. So this is also another street food, like back in the days. It's a man food, man. It's a man food. One thing that makes this shop so special is people are eating inside an alley. That's ghetto, man. Really ghetto. Nice view.